Hey beautiful people, in this video we solve an interesting exponential Singapore Math Olympiad question. Our equation is x square minus x to the cube is equal to 12. We find out what is the value of x. Let's solve this question step by step. Then x square minus x cube, I can write it since I can change this order. So x cube plus x square. I move on 12 left side. Here negative 12 is equal to 0. Then I multiply both sides negative 1. So it will be positive x to the cube plus negative x square plus 12 is equal to 0. Then x cube minus x square 12 is 4 times 12 is 4 times 8. I can write it 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 is equal to 0. Then x cube plus 8 minus x square plus 4 is equal to 0. Then x cube plus 8 is 2 cube minus 1 is common, so x square minus 4 is 2 square is equal to 0. Then we know that a cube plus b cube formula. Then I apply this formula here. So x plus 2 times x square minus 2x plus 4 minus I apply, we know that the formula a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. So x plus 2 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x plus 2 is common, so x square minus twice x plus 4, here minus x plus, because of minus and minus it will be plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x plus 2 x square twice x and negative x, it will be negative 3x. 4 plus 2, it will be 6 is equal to 0. Then here x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. We find out x is equal to negative 2. Then x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We know that quadratic formula x is equal to negative b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Then b is coefficient of x. B is negative 3. It will be negative 3 and negative. It will be 3 plus minus root over of b is negative 3. It will be negative 3 square. It will be 9 minus 4. A is coefficient of x. It will be 1 times c is constant. So c is 6 over 2 times a is 1. Then if I simplify this product, it will be 3 plus minus root over of 9 minus 4 times 1 times 6. It will be 24. It will be 24. Divide by twice 2 times 1. It will be 1. Then then 3 plus minus 9 minus 24, it will be 9 minus 24, it will be 16. 9 minus 24, it will be 16 over 2. Then negative 16. Then 3 plus minus here negative 4 times negative 1, it will be complex number, divide by 2. This is our final answer.